Hey guys, welcome to Read Study Run. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you that how can you add a cards to your YouTube videos. First you have to go to your YouTube channel dashboard and then go to under the video manager. In this video manager you can select the videos tab. At here, these are the latest videos I have uploaded. So you have to select the one video on which you want to add the cards. Go to the video and click on this button. After clicking, under this drop down, you can see there is an option for the cards. In this card video button, as you can see that you have the dashboard and this is your video. First let me pause this video and this is the timeline on which you can drag and drop your cards. In this dashboard, how can you add a cards? By clicking on the add card button, as you can see that you have four options. The first one is video or playlist. By choosing this, you can select any of the video you want to display in this card. I have chosen the first video and then click on the create card button. After clicking on the create card button, as you can see that you have one bar, one card with the title of the video. And under this timeline, as you can see that the card is added to here. You can also change the position of your card on the timeline just by clicking and drag your card. As you can see that we have three more options. Second one is channel. You can promote another channel by adding your channel to this card option. And the third one is poll. In this poll option, you can create a question and then apply the choices for that question. So anyone who wants to poll your question, you can make a selection. As you can see that is this video is helpful for you, and in the choices you can say yes or no. So the visitors then click on the more info button. This is the card button, and as you can see that the added video in a card is displayed here. In this card option, you can only add 5 cards. The limit of the card is only 5. And in the last button, as you can see that this is the link button. In this link, you can only provide all of those websites which are approved by the Google. As you can see, this is a slogan, link to an approved website. At here, you have the drop down button. Select the site which are approved by the Google. As you can see that we have two websites that is approved by the AdSense account. Just select any one of them and then click on the next button. It will ask you about the pictures to be displayed on this card and the title of the video and the teaser text. And you can also select the image from your local computer. After that, provide your title and then click on the create card. You have an error that 18 characters over limit. So customize your title. Largest videos channel website. Change it to videos that must be the it's not helpful for me, so we will provide the website link. This must be the better. and then click on the create cart. Once it's completed, as you can see that the one more card is added to your list, and you can also change the position of your cart. So this is the easiest way that you can add cards to your videos, and it will always display here on the more info button. As you can see that we have 2 cards. So this is it. That might be helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.